Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic cascading style sheets. So let's get started. What is the primary advantage of using CSS logical properties like margin inline start over physical properties like margin left? The correct answer is option A. They automatically adapt to different writing modes and text directions, LTR versus RTL. Which of the following is true regarding the specificity of the where pseudo-class? The correct answer is option B. It always has a specificity of 0. To use container queries, which property must be applied to the parent element to define it as a containment context? The correct answer is option C, container. In Flexbox, what does flexbasis, content, signify? The correct answer is option D. The size is based automatically on the item's content. What does the min-max 100px 1fr function do in a CSS grid definition? The correct answer is option A. It ensures the track is at least 100px wide, but can grow to occupy one fraction of available space. The CSS clamp function takes 3 parameters. In what order must they be provided? The correct answer is option B, minimum, preferred, maximum. Which selector would target a div only if it contains an img element? The correct answer is option C, div has img. What is the effect of animation fill mode, both? The correct answer is option D. The animation applies styles from both the first and last keyframes before and after the animation. How do you provide a fallback value for a CSS variable if the variable is not defined? The correct answer is option A, var myvar number 000. Which property allows you to define a preferred ratio for an element, ensuring it maintains its shape during resizing? The correct answer is option B, aspect ratio. Which media feature is used to detect if a user has requested the system to minimize the amount of non-essential motion? The correct answer is option C, prefers reduced motion. What is the primary purpose of the will change property in CSS? The correct answer is option D, to inform the browser of which properties will change, allowing for optimization before the change occurs. Which value of object_fit scales the image to maintain its aspect ratio while fitting within the element's content box, potentially leaving letterboxing? The correct answer is option A, contain. Which attribute selector targets an element with an attribute that starts exactly with a specific value? The correct answer is option B, at == value. Which of the following creates a new stacking context? The correct answer is option C, setting opacity to a value less than 1. In the color mix function, which of the following is a valid syntax to mix blue and white? The correct answer is option D, color mix in sRGB blue-white. Which font display value shows the fallback font immediately and then swaps to the custom font once it loads, with no limit on the swap period? The correct answer is option A, swap. Which property allows for smooth scrolling when a user clicks a link that targets an anchor on the same page? The correct answer is option B, scroll behavior, smooth. Which CSS property is used to create a clipping region that determines what part of an element should be visible? The correct answer is option C, clip path. What happens when an element is given display, contents? The correct answer is option D. The element itself does not generate any box, but its children are rendered as if they were direct children of the element's parent. Which selector targets the second to last child of a parent element? The correct answer is option A, Lee, nth last child, 2. Which property is used to change the direction of text to flow vertically? The correct answer is option B, writing mode. Which property applies a graphical effect, like blur or color shift, to the area behind an element? The correct answer is option C, backdrop filter. The CH unit in CSS represents what measurement? The correct answer is option D. The advanced measure, width of the glyph 00 in the element's font. In CSS Grid, what does grid template columns, subgrid, do? The correct answer is option A. It allows a nested grid to use the track definition of its parent grid. Which media query feature can be used to apply styles only if the user's primary input mechanism can hover over elements, like a mouse? The correct answer is option B, hover. What is the difference between align items and align content in Flexbox? The correct answer is option C. Align items aligns individual items within a line. Align content aligns the lines themselves within the container when there is extra space. Where are CSS custom properties, variables, typically defined so they are available globally across the document? The correct answer is option D, root. Which of the following statements is true regarding is and where? The correct answer is option A. The specificity of is determined by its most specific argument, whereas where always has zero specificity. Which property is specifically used to prevent an element from being part of the stacking context of its parent, effectively creating a new isolated stacking context? The correct answer is option B, isolation, isolate. Thank you for watching.